Have you ever wondered what separates a scientific fact from a mere opinion in psychology? Well, you're not alone. The field of psychology is a fascinating one, rich with theories, concepts, and ideas, but not all are created equal. Some are based on solid scientific evidence, while others are just opinions or anecdotes. So, what exactly is evidence in psychology? Evidence is information that supports or refutes a hypothesis or claim. It's the backbone of scientific psychology, grounding theories in observable, measurable facts. For instance, if a psychologist claims that meditation reduces stress, they need evidence, like results from controlled experiments, to back it up. On the other hand, we have information, which is a broad term that includes any data, whether it's based on scientific evidence or not. Anecdotes, personal experiences, and opinions all fall under this category. Understanding these distinctions is key to navigating the world of psychology and making informed judgments. So, what exactly is the difference between an opinion, an anecdote, and evidence? Let's dive into this. An opinion is a personal viewpoint or belief that someone holds. For instance, if someone believes that listening to classical music enhances cognitive abilities, that's an opinion. It's subjective, personal, and can vary from person to person. An anecdote, on the other hand, is a short account of a particular incident or event, often personal, and usually entertaining or interesting. Suppose a friend tells you, "I listened to Mozart while studying for my exams and scored straight A's. Therefore, Mozart makes you smarter." That's an anecdote. It's a single occurrence, personal, and not necessarily indicative of a general trend. Now let's move on to evidence. Evidence is factual information that helps in establishing the truth. In the realm of psychology, evidence often comes from rigorous research studies. For instance, if a series of well-conducted research studies demonstrate that listening to classical music has a positive impact on cognitive abilities, that's evidence. It's objective, collected systematically, and can be tested and verified. So why does this distinction matter in psychology? Well, psychology is a science, and like all sciences, it heavily relies on evidence to draw conclusions and make predictions. While opinions and anecdotes can offer interesting insights, they can also be misleading. They're often based on personal experiences and biases, and aren't necessarily representative of the larger population. Consider our earlier example. Just because your friend aced their exams while listening to Mozart doesn't mean everyone will. And even if many people believe that classical music boosts cognitive abilities, it doesn't make it a fact. Without evidence gathered through rigorous research, these remain personal beliefs or interesting stories, not scientific facts. That's why in psychology, we prioritize evidence. We use it to inform our theories, guide our practice, and shape our understanding of human behavior. It's the cornerstone of scientific inquiry and the key to reliable, effective psychological interventions. Remember, in the realm of psychology, evidence reigns supreme over opinions and anecdotes. Let's delve into the difference between scientific and non-scientific ideas in psychology. Scientific ideas in psychology are based on empirical evidence, which means they're derived from observation and experimentation. This is the bedrock of psychological research, from observing patterns in behavior to conducting laboratory experiments. On the other hand, non-scientific ideas often rely on personal anecdotes, opinions, or beliefs which are not necessarily backed by empirical evidence. While these ideas can sometimes provide interesting insights, they can also lead us astray if we're not careful. Take, for instance, the idea that opposites attract. While it's a popular belief scientifically, research shows that we are often attracted to those who are similar to us. It's crucial to approach psychology with a scientific mindset, carefully scrutinizing